Hi, I'm Brad Moon for Best Buy Canada's blog. Today I'm looking at the Thinkware F800 PRO dashcam. As you can see from the box, this model has an award-winning design, and Thinkware includes everything you need in that box. There's the camera itself, of course. An optional hardwiring kit is sold separately, but a 12-volt power supply that plugs into an outlet is included, along with a 16GB micro SD card with USB and SD card adapters. A windshield mounting plate is included, and the company also throws in adhesive tabs for routing that wire under the car's dashboard. Here's a closer look at the dashcam itself, which is quite compact. It's also attractively designed, and when installed, it looks almost like a piece of OEM equipment. I was a little worried about the installation process, but it's actually a lot easier than I thought it would be. The dashcam mounts in a bracket on this plate that's attached to the windshield using adhesive tape. The dashcam has its own Wi-Fi hotspot and a mobile app that helps in the setup, including providing a view with guiding lines so you position the camera perfectly. The power cable tucked up under the headliner of the car nicely. And if you want coverage from behind, an optional rear view camera, which is sold separately, plugs into this primary unit. Once installed, when you start the car, you'll hear the dashcam announce its presence.
Continuous recording will now start. On your smartphone, connect to a Wi-Fi network whose name starts with Thinkware.
Now, to be clear, connecting to that Wi-Fi hotspot is optional. It gets you extra features, but you still get a fully functional dash cam even if you're not connected. So the Thinkware F800 PRO is equipped with a 1080p camera that constantly records during driving, saving video by default in 1-minute clips on the micro SD card. You can also manually trigger a recording by pushing a button on the dash cam itself. 1080p is high enough resolution to get details like license plates if needed, while keeping file sizes reasonable. Where this dashcam stands out from many others is at night. Its Sony Starvis Cmos image sensor does an exceptional job of low light capture and dealing with high contrast situations like headlights. Lesser dashcams tend to produce murky nighttime footage with details that get blown out by lens flare when headlights or streetlights enter the frame. Another big bonus on the F800 PRO is optional safety features like forward collision warning and lane departure warning. Through the app, you can fine-tune how these operate based on your vehicle type, driving situations, and personal preferences. If you don't want to use them, they can be easily turned off. Saved videos can be viewed without having to remove the camera using the mobile app. Or you can pop the camera out and access the micro SD card on a Windows PC or a Mac. Overall, the Thinkware F800 PRO is a nicely designed dashcam that's compact and unobtrusive, with high-quality video and class-leading low-light performance. Plus, it includes easy-to-use optional driving safety features. If you're considering a dashcam for your vehicle, check out Best Buy for a wide selection of models from all the top brands, including Thinkware. And to learn more about Thinkware's F800 PRO, be sure to read my full review on Best Buy Canada's blog.